Hey, have you heard of the Island Trains kid? He's pretty cool, but there might be something wrong with him. I don't know if he's just or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is Island Trains. Island Trains. From birth, the Island Trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said, Island Trains. Island Trains. They put him on some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and that's how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile. The Island Trains kid said, I feel great. He got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl and he asked to be his wife. As he stood at the altar and prepared to say the vows, he put a ring on the finger and he said, Island Trains. Island Trains. Got bad grades? Island Trains. Awkward day? Island Trains. Don't like trains? Island Trains. Island Trains. Island Trains.
I Like Trains and other Astic Movie t-shirts now available at sharkrobot.com. Also buy this song on iTunes and Amazon, link in the description. And also subscribe to the amazing guy who animated this video.